There's a brand new iPhone app that could actually turn a single text prompt into a complete video. And I do mean the entire video. It will write the script, find a voiceover, find relevant images, video clips. It will create captions, find music. Literally every step that you would take to create a video from scratch, this app does it right after you give it a simple text prompt. So you could get started with this app for free. Just find it in the App Store here. It's called InVideo AI and download and open the app. And on this page, go ahead and create yourself a free account. I'll show you some of the pricing options, but you could get started completely for free. And once you log in, you're gonna land on this page. This box right here is where you could type in your text prompt. You could do up to 3,000 characters here if you want a super detailed prompt, or you could do something very simple. And this is really useful if you're trying to make any type of YouTube videos, Instagram or TikTok videos. This is great for long YouTube explainer videos or even YouTube short in vertical format. You could decide any of that here. And for my text prompt, since I make a lot of AI content, I'm gonna put create a YouTube video about the history of AI and where it's headed. And this is literally all I have to do. I have to press generate video. In a few seconds, it's gonna ask me just a couple more questions that I'll show you, and then it will make the entire video. Now on the second page, it's gonna ask for your audience. Are you making it for students, researchers, tech enthusiasts? This is fine for me. What kind of look and feel do you want out of the video? Now, professional or minimalistic modern. In this case, I'll leave it on inspiring actually. And the platform, where are you going with this video? In this case, I'm going for YouTube. But if you're going for YouTube Shorts or something like that, you could choose that in the first page. I'm gonna press continue. And it's literally going to go to work on its own. And typically in a minute or two, I'm gonna have an entire video. I could even make videos that are 15 minutes long, for example, right on my phone. This is also available on their website, but now you could do this on the go and publish directly on your phone, never using a computer. And while that's creating that video, basically anyone that's trying to create a faceless YouTube channel, or if you're trying to make content for different social media platforms, you just don't have the time, this is a really useful tool to basically let you create entire videos in a couple of minutes, and then you could actually edit and customize it too. I'll show you that as soon as it's done. Okay, the video's done. It's 3 minutes long, and it only took a couple of minutes here to create the entire thing. And I could also edit it. I'll show you that in a second. But let me show you a quick preview. I think you're gonna be really impressed.
Have you ever wondered how a machine can learn, think, and make decisions like a human brain? Welcome to the intriguing world of artificial intelligence, or AI, as we commonly know it. It all started back in the summer of 1956 during a conference at Dartmouth College. Here, the term artificial intelligence was coined and a new era of technological innovation began. At this point, AI was merely a concept, a dream of creating machines capable of simulating human intelligence.
Wow, that was AI generated voiceover, the selection, the story, all of that was created with AI. And if you saw some watermarks on the video clips, that will get removed when we actually export the video. I'll show you some of the pricing option. That does require a paid plan, which is very inexpensive for what this is capable of. But let's go ahead and press edit right over here, because you have a bunch of different options here. What you could do is with all these different clips, you could make a decision if you don't like what the AI chose for you. So you could go to the stock tab here and search for anything else you want. So this one is searching for AI. It's a little AI clip. So if I search for that, I could see a bunch of other options. And if I like this one, for example, I could click it and I could replace it, and it will replace that as soon as I press apply. In this case, that was actually a better selection than I would do manually. But you could also upload your own clips too. So I just uploaded one from my phone, this clip here, and I could press replace, and it will replace any existing clip that I've picked over here on top. So that's incredible. You could also edit the script. Don't like anything that AI wrote? You could go ahead and type your own here. Just delete what's there, type your own, and then you're done. And then the voiceover, because it's AI generated, it will go and read that new script that you just fixed up over here. And each section had a little title that showed up on screen. Yes, you could edit that too. So right here, the title, it says the birth of AI. You could go ahead and type in whatever else you want. And that's available for every section that has a title available. This one doesn't, but right on top you had one. Right over here, it has another chapter where you could edit the title as well. So you could see it makes it in 2 minutes, but it's fully customizable. So whatever you want to do, you could do. I'll exit and look at this box right here. give a command to edit the video. So if I want to change the voice to British male instead of British female, boom, right there, I could edit the video just by typing in a text prompt. Lots of different ways to edit the video with that AI text prompt as well, so you don't have to manually do anything inside of the edit tab.
The 80s brought the era of expert systems, machines capable of understanding and interpreting human language. These systems could solve complex problems in a specific domain.
And that took seconds for that change to take place. I could press export now if I'm happy with all those decisions. Now here, some of the settings in the export menu you need to know about. First, if you want to remove the watermark on the stock clips, so use different stock libraries to pick different video clips and sometimes images for us, obviously we should remove that. So you could try it for free, but if you want to post it on YouTube, obviously remove the watermarks. I'll show you some of the plans in a second. AI video branding, that's very small, it's in the corner, but you could also remove that or make a subtle version of that. This also requires an upgrade, or you could just leave the watermark if you don't mind it. And then the resolution, you could do 1080p, which is what we want. In this case, we're gonna go to LinkedIn with this, we're gonna go to YouTube and Facebook. We're gonna post the same video in 3 different places and kind of grow the audiences in those 3 different places. And you could see each month you get about 80 different iStock licenses. Those are more premium licenses, and 80 is plenty, right? I could probably make 10 videos that are this length. And look at this, the export is almost already done. I literally didn't even make an edit to the video, and it's going really, really fast here, all on my phone. Now, let me show you some of the pricing options, because if you want to use this seriously for growing a YouTube channel, making a faceless YouTube channel, or growing any other social media platform, obviously you want to pay for this, but this starts literally, if you pay for the yearly, at $20 a month. The monthly starts at $25 a month. And I get all those credits here. So 50 minutes of AI generated download. And if you come to the homepage here, you could always create a video from scratch. My video just got finished here 1 minute ago. I could always click on the video over here that finished and download it here. They also make a share link available too. So if you want to just share that link, you could go ahead and do that. In this case, I want to upload it to a new YouTube channel. So I do need to download it here. And then, you know, to post it on LinkedIn and Facebook, I obviously don't want to share a link. I want to download it to my phone and then open those apps and post it from there. And there it is. The video is in my photo library. All the watermark is gone and it's ready to post. I have it on mute right now. But right now I'm gonna open the YouTube app and post it right from there. And over the past year, I've tested hundreds of AI apps, and this one really is one of the most impressive one I've ever tried. And they do have a version on the computer as well, and I did cover that in a different video that I'll link here. I hope you found this useful, and I will see you next time.